Hey art friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a funny banana peel, and I hope you're going to follow along with me. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. I'm using a marker and marker paper to draw on, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom, like a pencil or even a crayon. All right, let's get started. Let's start by drawing an upside down U for our banana. I'm going to start in the middle of my paper, and I'm going to draw it coming up, around, and then back down. It kind of curves out at the very bottom. Then we can draw one of the sides of the peel coming out, and then we're going to draw it coming back in, and we'll come up a little higher. There we go. Now let's draw the other side of the banana peel coming out this way, and then we'll curve back around and up to connect. Now let's make it look more 3D. I'm going to draw another part of the banana peel coming out this way, but we're going to draw it smaller since it's behind the other part of the peel. And then we can draw another part coming out to the right. Now let's draw the stem. We're going to draw it coming out of the top on the left and also on the right. And then we can also draw an oval shape to connect those two lines, and it also makes it look more 3D. And that's it. Just a few steps on how to draw a funny banana peel. Well, it's not very funny. Let's color it first and then we'll add the funny face. I'm using my Art for Kids Hub markers, and I have number 33 if you have the same set. And we're going to color in the peel solid with this yellow. Then for the stem, I'm using number 59. This is a light green. And we'll just color in this part or the side of the stem. And then for the top, we'll use a brown. Number 103, and color it in solid. There we go. Next, I'm going to make this look more 3D by adding some shading. Number 23, orange. I'm going to shade down the side of the peel, coming down to the right. And then also, I think, we'll color the bottom side of this other peel. And then I'm going to do the same over on the left side, color the bottom part. And we can also add a little shadow coming down this way to the left, and then also coming down to the right. Now we need to add our funny face. I'm going to switch back to my black marker, and I'm adding a eye here, and also add an eye there. And we can add that little highlight and then color in the big part of the circle. And then let's give it a funny mouth. I'm going to draw a curve, and then I'm going to draw it really open, coming down. Oh, and a tongue sticking out. Maybe some teeth. You can change your funny face too. You don't have to draw it just like me. You can add a different mouth or even different eyes. There we go. Now, because we did the face after we colored it solid, you can use a white colored pencil to go back over the marker, but it doesn't look as white as the white paper. So I have these other markers. They're called paint markers, acrylic paint markers, and these work great for adding white back on top of the marker. You can also color in the teeth. I also like using the blue colored pencil to add a reflection in the bottom of the eyes to make them look even shinier. Once the paint has dried, you can go back over with the black marker if you colored outside of the lines and just make it look more clean. I'm going to do one more thing and trace around the outside of my banana peel to make the border a little thicker. I just like how it looks. And we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our banana peel. It turned out awesome, and I hope you took time to color in your drawings. Oh, one more thing. I used 46, a darker green, to add a little shadow on the stem. You could do even more things to your drawing, like add a background. You could add a floor, and maybe even a big shoe getting ready to step on it. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing a banana peel. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and to practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. Hey parents and teachers, did you know that we have a book series called Draw with Art for Kids Hub? Our Animals book is already out and ready for you to order. It's filled with 30 awesome step-by-step drawing projects that your kids will love. We also have 2 more fun books that release later, but you can pre-order them now. Cute and Funny Foods will be available on August 13th, 2024, and our Christmas book, perfect for the holiday season, it releases on September 3rd, 2024. You can find all of these books through the link in the description below this video. Thanks for being part of our art family, and I hope you keep drawing and having fun.